Hi, I am Sonika and I have completed my 200-hour teacher training course from Excel Yoga School in guidance of SAMARTH sir. So I was in Germany and I was looking for some yoga courses in some cities in India, and then I came to know from my sister about Excel Yoga School, and then I checked out the reviews on Google and Facebook and other websites, and then I finally joined Excel Yoga School. Also, the different kind of yoga styles and the knowledge Samad sir has interested me to join Excel Yoga School. Also, the experience in Ahmedabad was very good. In fact, the PG was very nice. I have cleared off many of my misconceptions about yoga. Like, yoga is not just about doing asana. Asana is just a part of yoga. There are 7 other components as well in yoga, which one should know. So, and then I have learned that how to do pranayam from our ancient scripts. Sir has taught us everything from ancient scripts, yoga, asana, pranayam. I have also learned ancient meditation here, and a few of the Shat Karmas I have tried here. And sir has also taught us like how a yoga instructor should maintain his or her lifestyle, and how to teach injury-free yoga so that the student and the teacher don't get injured while practicing yoga. And also, if somebody comes with any kind of background like no flexibility or with some disease or 2-3 diseases at the same time, if a person has, then how to make a protocol for them, how to guide them to get the maximum benefits. Aerial yoga, prenatal yoga, restorative yoga, and vinyasa yoga, power yoga. Aerial yoga is one of my favorite, and it's quite challenging in the beginning, but it's amazing. And so what I like most about aerial yoga is that you can do all the poses which you cannot do on mat in the beginning. It gets quite easy on aerial, and also the floating in aerial yoga makes it relaxing and interesting. Yeah, then the second style I have learned is prenatal yoga, which is really good for pregnant mothers, pregnant ladies, and to nourish their babies for good development of their babies, to prevent placenta previa, or to it helps a mother to gain strength, so that in the further trimester, like second and third trimester, they can bear the additional weight easily, to prepare them for labor, easy labor. And so that was all about pregnancy yoga. Also, we learned pranayam and meditation, how to so there are many mood swings happen during pregnancy, or some diseases like gestational diabetes. So how we can prevent them from happening, and how to keep a pregnant lady calm and relaxed. We have learned all of that in prenatal yoga. And then there is restorative yoga, which is for the people who has gone through a major surgery or any kind of injury, like in back or in spine, hip or knee. So they can do restorative yoga. It's really very good yoga style for relaxation, and also for the stretching when a person cannot do the other yoga. Restorative comes in the picture. And there is vinyasa yoga. Vinyasa, I have learned the vinyasa flow from Samad sir, and he also taught us that how we can modify this vinyasa flow and add some more and create our own vinyasa flow and make it more interesting. And then I have learned power yoga for full body, upper body, lower body, and side body, with different goals in mind. Like, to strengthen lower body, we have lower body. So all of that I learned in Excel Yoga School. And thank you so much, sir, for all the guidance and support for in these 2 months. I have learned a lot, and it would definitely help me to guide other people for to keep their health better, and to keep their health good, and to maintain a good lifestyle, and to stay calm and happy Yeah, thank you.